Simple 30-day plan. There are no quick fixes or fad diets that are known to sustain weight loss in the long term. These weight loss plans and fad diets are based on restricting calories or removing specific food groups. Most of the time, it's impossible to follow these plans in the long term, so weight loss is not maintained over time. Setting realistic goals. First, decide if weight loss is the right strategy for your health. It's common to have an unrealistic view of what a healthy weight really is. People who lose weight slowly and gradually are more likely to keep the weight off long term compared to those who lose a lot of weight very quickly. Set smart goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time-bound. A goal such as, I will lose 10 pounds, is not time-bound, no timeline is set, and may not be attainable since weight fluctuates based on many factors, such as hydration, hormones, medications, food intake, and activity level. A smart goal that contributes to weight loss may be, I will replace my daily can of sugar-containing soda with water for the next 30 days. Creating a nutrition plan. Eating well plays an important role in weight loss and maintenance. A winning strategy for weight loss includes both caloric restriction and adequate exercise. These factors are also involved. Hormones, medical conditions, physical activity levels, medications, sleep, genetics, environment, mental health, economics. Your best bet is to work with a healthcare professional for a personalized weight loss plan. If that is not possible, you can follow the general information in the dietary guidelines for Americans about the role of nutrition in weight loss. It recommends a varied diet that includes vegetables and fruit, grains, including whole grains, protein, foods. Meal planning. Your body requires nutrients every day so it functions properly. The dietary guidelines were designed to ensure that nutrient needs are met with a variety of foods including vegetables, fruit, protein, and grains. When you plan meals, consider these plate proportions. Make half your plate vegetables and fruits. Make a quarter of your plate grains. Choose whole grains at least half of the time. Make a quarter of your plate protein from foods such as poultry, fish, eggs, meat, legumes, nuts, and seeds. A simple meal plan may look like this. You can repeat this 5-day plan 6 times to complete a 30-day plan. Day 1 breakfast. Plain Greek yogurt with strawberries and low sugar, 3 grams of sugar or less per serving. Oat-based granola snack. Almonds and grapes lunch. Tuna melt sandwich with cheese and tomatoes on whole grain bread, served with carrots, red peppers, and an apple on the side snack. Cucumber and hummus dinner. Chicken with brown rice and stir-fried vegetables. Day 2 breakfast. Chia pudding with Greek yogurt and fruit snack. Cheddar cheese and an apple lunch. Poke bowl. Fish or tofu with brown rice, mixed vegetables, seaweed and sesame seed snack. Trail mix dinner. Pesto shrimp and broccoli served over whole grain pasta. Day 3 breakfast. Mashed avocado and ricotta cheese on whole grain toast with a side of berry snack. Fresh peach, granola and Greek yogurt lunch. Turkey sandwich with lettuce, tomato and sweet peppers. Banana snack. Plain popcorn dinner. Chickpea and cauliflower curry with quinoa. Day 4 breakfast. Oatmeal with banana, peanut butter, and soy or cow's milk snack. Hummus and carrots lunch. Black bean and cheddar burrito and whole grain tortilla with lettuce, tomato, sweet peppers, and avocado snack. Plain popcorn dinner. Stir-fried chicken and mixed vegetables on soba noodles. Day 5 breakfast. Scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, and tomato snack. medjool dates with peanut butter or almond butter lunch, chicken Caesar salad with Parmesan cheese and croutons plus a pear snack, small portion of your favorite ice cream dinner, lemon butter halibut with green beans and potatoes. Physical activity. Being physically active is associated with weight loss because exercise it burns calories. Hydration and sleep. Other factors that affect weight include hydration and sleep. When it comes to fluid and hydration, many Americans rely on sugar-sweetened beverages. However, excess intake of sweet beverages is linked to weight gain.